Start.
All right, we're going to do a little intro to tape measure. The first thing that you have to know about a tape measure is how many of these lines are from 2 to 3 to read this shaded area. So if you count them all up, it's simply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So you know that there's 16 of these dashes to get from 2 to 3. Now, I'm going to say you have to know your quarter, you're going to have to know your half, and you're going to have to know your 3/4. The reason I'm saying that is because they're the 3 biggest lines out there. It'll eliminate them as suspects. So in my case, it's going to leave you with what I'm going to call the little lines and the big lines. Now, if it's on the big lines, there's 2 ways of them to do this. You can count them all over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, so that it looks like this. 2 and 14/16. Now you got to know that you can't leave a fraction like that because something can go into the top that can go into the bottom. And when it's even numbers like that, it's always going to be 2. So 2 goes into 14 7 times. 2 goes into 16 8 times. Now, here's the trick on finding the big line numbers. Simply count the big lines over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So as you can see, I've hit every big line and I've counted 7. So my whole number there is 2. I've counted over 7. Now, since I'm doing every other one, it's automatically going to cut this number in half. That is how you find without doing all this. Now, if it's on the little lines like this one is, there's no trick in the book that you can be taught. You simply count them all over. 1, 2, 3. So you got your 10, and I counted over 3 of the 16 there. Now this one's on that little line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This one's on that little line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, this one's on that one that I said you automatically have to know, but I'm going to show you how to find it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, so that it looks like this. Now math tells me that 2 will automatically go into that. But there's also another number that can. But I'll show you with the 2. 2 goes into the 12 6 times. 2 goes into the 16 8 times. Now what that does is it leaves a fraction that 2 can still go into. So 2 goes into 6 3 times. 2 goes into 8 4 times. So that's how you find it if you get stuck and you can't figure it out. There's always going to be cheats and ways to get to the right answer. Now on this next one, you see how it's on the big line? We're not going to do any of the counting. We're just going to do the cheat, right? Count only the big lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the whole number there is 3, and I counted over 5. But I'm doing that one where I'm counting every other one, so it automatically takes that number in half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That right there is the pros and cons of reading a tape measure.